Hey guys, Pete Soma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. We're going to walk you through our 2024 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. This boat does have a beautiful horizon hull color. On the back, we have triple 250 Mercuries. That is the upgraded engine. You can get twin 350s. These are the brand new V8s. Great walking space around the swim platform here, easy access. One of our many storage compartments on the 320. This is a great spot for your fenders and lines. And then all the way back here, you're going to have access to our shore power, our KVH for our TV, and our fresh water. You can see the gray sea deck on the swim platform that will carry in through the cockpit, so let's go take a look inside. All right, here in the cockpit, the first thing you'll notice is all of this space I have here. This is a great entertaining boat. On our starboard side, we have our grill, sink, fridge, and trash receptacle. It's almost like you have your kitchen out there on the water. Shade controls here. This does have a cockpit and cabin heating and air conditioning. Receptacles. You will have a teak table here in the back. Again, you can see this beautiful sea deck flooring throughout. Stone color interior. We will have an isinglass enclosure that'll enclose the back of the boat, the front windshield, and then in front of that will be our extended sunshade that'll cover all of these back seats here. Let's go take a look at the helm. Okay guys, here at the helm of the 32 Sundancer, we're going to have twin Simrad displays. All of our halo switching, which is lit up. We're going to have our main controls for our windlass anchor. Stereo. Our throttles. Right behind that will be our Axios joystick system. You can see I'm sitting nice and high up on this double wide bolster. Again, this boat will have RGBW lighting, so at nighttime this boat is going to look awesome. Let's go take a look at the cabin. All right guys, down in the V berth of the 320 Sundancer, as you can see, this is a beautiful, really nice and big, awesome laying spot right here. If I remove this cushion, my table will come up on a bigger leg. Gives me a great shot of the TV right there. And also we have a ton of natural light coming in here, so it's not dark. And then we can take a look at our head compartment next. Our head compartment will double as a wet head. At the sink there, you will see that there's a sprayer, so you can take a nice shower with shower curtain, and again, more natural light coming into the bathroom. Okay, underneath the steps of the 320 Sundancer, this is gonna act as your main sleeping area. Right now, we have it set up in this twin configuration. You can pull this forward. We have a filler cushion that'll go in here on the starboard side, and it'll transform this into almost like a queen size bed. Privacy curtain as well, so you can close yourself off, and another TV back here, so you can watch the game maybe. Let's go upstairs and check out the bow. Up here in the bow of the 320 Sundancer, you can see we're going to have triple wide seating up here with armrests, headrests. We're going to have stereo controls up here, USB and USB-C. I'm sitting on this high bow rail, great safety feature. Our windlass anchor, which is going to be rope and chain. All right guys, again, this is the 320 Sundancer Outboard here at MarineMax Brick. Please come in if you want to look at this boat in person, and I'll see you on the water.